Hi, I'm Marcelo, and in this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to install and configure the NetSuite AI Connector Service and connect it with ChatGPT. This integration allows NetSuite to securely interact with ChatGPT, giving you access to NetSuite data, task automation, and real-time insights. We'll start by reviewing the required features and permissions needed by the AI connector. This is important to ensure the service runs properly and can access the right NetSuite resources. First, go to Setup, then Company, and select Enable Features. Open the Suite Cloud subtab and make sure the following features are enabled: Server Suite Script and OAuth 2.0. Next, you'll need to assign the required permissions to any roles that should use the NetSuite AI Connector Service. Go to Setup, then Users and Roles, and select Manage Roles. Edit each role. And under Permissions, then Setup, add the following permissions: MCP server connection and login using OAuth 2.0 access tokens. Keep in mind, the permissions assigned to each role directly determine which actions the AI model can perform inside NetSuite. Also, the MCP permission cannot be assigned to administrator roles. Because of that, you'll need to create a dedicated role specifically for this purpose. Once that's done, log into NetSuite using an administrator role and navigate to SuiteApps. In the bundle search, look for MCP standard tools. Select the official bundle and start the installation process. Wait until the installation completes successfully before moving on. Next, we'll create a new NetSuite integration. Go to Setup, then Integrations, and click New. Under the OAuth 2.0 tab, enable authorization code grant and public client. In the redirect URI field, enter the value provided in the official documentation of the language model you want to connect. We'll leave examples for ChatGPT and Claude in the video description. Select NetSuite AI Connector Service and save the integration. At this point, it's critical to store the client credentials shown at the bottom of the screen. These values are displayed only once and cannot be retrieved later. If they're lost, you'll need to reset the credentials to generate new ones. Now, open ChatGPT to create a new application. Start by enabling Developer Mode. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Advanced Settings, and turn on Developer Mode. Next, return to Settings and select Create App. This application defines how NetSuite communicates with external AI services. Give the application a name and review the default configuration settings. These settings control authentication, environment, and request handling. The required endpoint information will be included in the video description. Just make sure to replace the account ID placeholder with your actual NetSuite account number where applicable. Use the previously stored values from the NetSuite integration to populate the OAuth client ID and OAuth client secret. Once saved, run a connection test to confirm that NetSuite can successfully communicate with ChatGPT. If the test is successful, the NetSuite AI Connector Service is fully installed and ready to use. You can now start leveraging AI-powered capabilities directly inside NetSuite. And now that everything is set up, watch the next video where we'll show you how this integration works in practice and how you can start using it in your day-to-day operations. See you next time.